The first time I ever welded, I genuinely found joy in it, and I found interest in it. It was something that brought me new things to learn. It brought me opportunities. I really enjoy it, and I could see myself doing it for the rest of my life.
Since it's hands-on, it allows me to be physically active, and I can use my brain in a different way that's towards something that I'm into. Having this and being able to make a career out of it and being able to have a stable life after high school is something I'm incredibly grateful for, and I could never be any more thankful for it. And at Lee Bear, I don't think I'd be a number and I'd be able to make a name for myself. I feel like I could be a part of a community that I enjoy.
Having a woman instructor showed me that I could do it too. Just knowing that there are other women out there who decided to do what I want to do.
It urged me more and also encouraged me and gave me more confidence to do this.
There's so many opportunities that come with welding and with Lee Bear. Knowing how I can move up and make a name for myself, that's something that really excites me.